press on side button, or if you say hey Siri, then you can see your Apple Intelligent will be enabled. Hey Siri. So how to change Apple Intelligent to Siri on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any series? Simply open up setting, and you need to go Apple Intelligent Siri. Just disable this option. Once you disable this option, then here you can see talk to Siri. Now select hey Siri or Siri, that's you want to prefer. Now if you press the side button, then you can see your Siri is enabled. And if you hey Siri, what is the day of today?
It's Sunday, December 28th, 2025.
So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe.